Well, the rear bumper lasted 276,000 miles until I bumped a pole that I didn't see because I don't know how to use a rear view mirror or side mirror. So today we're going to rip this off and put on a new one. A really quick overview of how to take this off is you're going to be 4 clips on the back, T20 fastener on each side. In here, rivets that you're going to have to pop. New bumper, mostly unfolded. Believe it or not, it came folded all the way up and shipped. Versus the old bumper that made it this long, cracked, exhaust melted. Overall, decent. Of course, that faded. I had hit the trailer somewhere. Oh, yep, right there. But, you know, for being 20 years old and over 250,000 miles, hey, turned out pretty good. So I'm going to try to get this fit on. I think I'm going to start probably with those clips and those up here, and then I'll kind of get the bottom second. All right, well, the new bumper's on. As far as I can tell, it's fairly close. But, I mean, it was literally $450 painted and clear coated to the door.